AeroMap Pro software introduction. Introducing Riebo's new route planning software, AeroMap Pro. With a fresh interface, powerful features, and better performance, it will transform your planning experience. Variety of flight routes. Support mesh, orbit, circle, terrain following, facade, and smart oblique mode. Custom camera parameter setting. Users can customize camera parameters and export configuration files with one click for use on other computers, ensuring seamless multi-device sharing. Intelligent route settings. Choose flight route types based on specific scene requirements. Easily adjust various parameters and display the resolution and overlap of top and low mapping areas. This boosts efficiency both in the field and post-processing while ensuring results meet requirement. The routes update in real time in 3D with flight parameter settings, enabling intuitive interactive operations and easy to use. Standardized route management. The route library allows users to create groups for different projects. After using the route splitting function, users can group the split route for unified management. Layer management. Manage different types of base map layers. The software encodes the global DEM data and supports terrain data. (3D model) and KML file import for high-precision terrain following routes. Practical features. Additional features include location search, measurement tools, and seamless language switching among Chinese, English, and Japanese. Cloud services. The software features a highly available lightweight HTTP distribution service, supporting cloud deployment and local services. The backend service supports massive data storage with efficient database optimization, offering peace of mind. AeroMap Pro, your companion in exploration. For more features, please refer to the user manual and embark on a new journey of discovery.